This project began in SolidWorks, where I developed the overall vehicle assembly, expandable structure, and major mechanical layouts for our first event trailer prototype. The design was then translated into real components, with structural parts cut and prepared according to the manufacturing dimensions. Before connecting the hydraulic system, we assembled the prototype on a temporary platform and used 4 jacks to check the actual movement of the expandable structure. This helped us verify that the mechanism could move as intended before hydraulic power was added. During the first hydraulic test, the 4 lifting cylinders did not move synchronously. We traced the problem to the hydraulic hose arrangement, reorganized the circuit, and repeated the test until the lifting movement became synchronized. The expandable body was then integrated with the truck chassis. Because the chassis did not originally provide hydraulic power for this system, we added a pitot-driven hydraulic pump, an oil tank, and the required hydraulic circuit. Once the main body was mounted on the chassis, the structure and hydraulic system were prepared for the next stage of production. The interior finishing started with the floor and wall panels, preparing the space for electrical and other interior systems. The work then moved to the exterior, where the outer panels and finishing details were installed around the expandable body. The vehicle uses multiple adjustable support points underneath the expandable structure. Each support can be adjusted independently to compensate for uneven ground, helping keep the vehicle level and stable when fully deployed. With the main construction completed, the vehicle could be viewed as a finished expandable event space from multiple angles. For transport, the body folds back into a compact road configuration on site. The deployment starts by lowering the access stairs. The roof is then raised, followed by the side expansion structures extending outward to create a much larger interior space. In the final layout, the interior can accommodate approximately 18 banquet tables, creating a large mobile venue for events and hospitality use.
I'm Leo Li, a mechanical designer focused on real-world product development.